Looks like the male's sitting on the bench. Gonna be on the east side of the covered bridge. You wanna try to make contact with him?
How we doing, boss? Let you know I'm recording our conversation.
There's no need for a conversation.
Oh, there's gonna be.
Why?
Well, because what happened over there at the
I just left,
apartment.
man.
Okay. Well, she's calling saying that you weren't supposed to be there. So
No, she had me over there.
Okay.
She just
well,
answered the phone.
Hey, hang on just a second. Listen.
This is crap, dude.
Dude, hang on. I'm late to the party here, right? I don't know what's going on, so I've got to find out from you. That's why I'm talking to you. There's two sides to every story. I'm going to give you an opportunity to chat with me so we can figure out what's going on. She's saying one thing. I want to talk to you to find out what your story is. Okay?
Okay.
Is that fair?
Yeah.
I'm treating you as well as I can, right?
Okay.
So I just asked the same thing of you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you have ID with you, boss?
No, don't.
Okay. Let me grab your name real quick so I know who I'm chatting with.
I can't give you that.
Well, what do you mean you
I
can't
don't
give
want to
me
give you that.
that? Okay. Well, then that's not going to start a conversation very well, is it?
Well, I'm sorry.
Because I'm investigating a possible domestic. Okay.
Can we go over there and we can talk this
We
out?
will. We'll chat it out, but just so you know, I'm investigating a crime. Okay.
There's no crime.
Hang on. I'm trying to explain to you what's going on. She's claiming that you broke into her house, you forced your way, and you weren't supposed to be there. So what I'm looking at right now is a burglary.
I was just on the phone with her.
Let me finish. I'm looking at a potential burglary, and I don't know if there's an assault or something else that's happened.
Nothing else
So the
happened.
reason that I'm asking you and asking for your name is a legal reason because I'm investigating a crime. If you're going to refuse to provide me with your information, you leave me no choice other than I have to arrest you and take you down to the jail. Okay? So that's where we're at right now. So do you want to provide me with your information, or do we want to go down that route?
Okay, so what is she saying that happened?
I just told you. You forced your way into the house. You're not supposed to be in there. That's what I said.
Oh my God.
Three times now. Okay? So that's why we're here. That's why we're chatting. So I'm trying to work with you to be cooperative, to make sure that we can make this work. All I'm asking for you is to give me your information so that way we can go from there. If there's something hanging over your head, or you got something that's behind you, we can deal with that later.
Ronnie Cates.
Okay. See, I appreciate it. I'm not trying to jam you up, dude. I'm trying to be fair with you.
Okay.
How do you spell your last name, sir?
C-A-T-E-S.
Okay.
Anyway, so she's trying to say that I broke into her house. She's let me over there.
Okay, and we'll
This is so much crap, dude.
Okay.
I can't believe this.
I'm giving you an opportunity
No,
to
I
tell me
know.
what's going on,
That's what
right?
I'm saying.
I
I
understand.
don't understand. Like, I'm pissed.
I understand you being pissed and frustrated, but not with me, okay? I just got thrown into this, man. I got the call, and that's why I'm here.
Why the f*** is she even...
I don't know, buddy. I don't know. Have you guys been on the outs or anything?
No, we just broke up.
Okay.
Because I was going to go home.
Okay. Where's home at?
Home is back in Medford.
Okay. Okay. So, have you guys been in a relationship, or what's going
We've been
on?
in a relationship for 5 months now.
Okay. And were you guys living together for a certain amount of
No,
time, or
I
you
just
just
stayed
staying
the
there?
night.
Okay, so you just stayed the night.
Yeah.
Okay. So that isn't your permanent resident.
No,
you just went to hang out with her for the night.
For the night, and I was there last night, and that was it. And
Did
then
something
mad,
happen?
She's mad because I'm going back home.
Okay. Okay. So she's not happy with you leaving.
Yeah.
So would be that would be the reason why she's telling us these
Yes.
things? Okay. So like I said, man, that's the reason that I'm here, dude. It's not like I made this stuff up. She's telling us one thing. We want to find out what's going on.
This is so stupid. She does this shit all the time, man.
Okay. How long have you guys been as
5 months.
5 months dating?
Yeah.
Just kind of dating, or
Yeah,
is
just
that
dating,
it? Okay.
yeah.
All right.
She just answered.
What's your legal first name?
It's Ronnie. R-O-N-N-I-E. Can I call her?
Well, why don't you hold off, because I got an officer that's going to go chat with her. How about your middle name?
Wolf. W-O-L-F.
And date of birth for you, buddy.
Hold on. She's not even answering.
Yeah,
this
she's
is
probably.
crap, dude.
I got an officer that's going over to talk to her so we can figure out what's going on.
Why did she do this?
I don't know, buddy. I don't know.
Okay, so here's
Okay.
what happened.
Okay.
So I'm laying there asleep, and my friend calls me. My friend, he calls me up, and he's like, "Do you want to ride home?" I said, "Yes." I said, and then she got mad about it, and then she said, "Okay, are we done?" Hey, where you at? The cops are here. I'd come hurry up. Where are you at?
5110.
51.
Okay. The cops.
I'm out with a Ronnie Wolf Cates. He's not giving me his DOB yet. He's quasi-cooperative.
Copy. Ronnie Wolf.
The cops are here. They're talking to me about some bullshit.
Cates, Charles, Adam, Tom, Edwardson.
Copy.
Okay, so you can grab my stuff? I don't know. Okay. No, it's right here. I'm at the bridge. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Can I give you my statement now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just waiting for you to get off the phone.
I was off the phone now.
Okay.
My friend's almost going to be here. He'll pick up my stuff.
Okay. So you went over to her place last night,
Yes.
right? Just hanging out with her. You don't live there.
No.
Okay. Two of you been a couple for about 5 months.
5 months.
Okay. And this morning you're sleeping. Buddy calls you, says, "Hey, do you need a ride?"
Ride home. I was
So-
like, yes.
Why would he call you to say if you needed a ride?
Because he was already on his way from Grants Pass. He's coming here now.
Okay. So he was coming over from Grants Pass.
Yes.
Was he coming over to pick you up anyway, or
Yeah.
what was
no,
the deal?
he wasn't coming over yet. He was just asking if I wanted to ride back.
Okay. I guess I'm confused as to why he just out of the blue
He's
called
going
you.
to Grants Pass to do something with somebody, and then he was coming back to town. He wanted to ask me if I wanted to ride back home because I was here.
Okay. Okay. So he calls. She gets upset because he's calling.
Because I'm going home.
Okay. Did she just want
She
you
said,
to stay
"Are we
there?
done?" I said, "Yeah, that's fine. Whatever."
Why would it go that direction?
She's not all there in the head.
Okay.
And so I said, "Okay, well that's fine." And then, so after that, I'm sitting there. I'm still laying there asleep, and that's when she called you guys.
Okay. So you were there when she called us?
Yeah.
So you know what she said?
No, I don't know what she said.
Oh, okay.
I left. I was
Okay.
like, you know what? Screw you. I'm done.
So was there anything physical that happened?
No, nothing physical.
No pushing,
No
shoving,
pushing,
grabbing, nothing like that?
Nothing.
Okay. And what about the deal where she's saying you forced your way into the house? Did you
not
leave
force
and
my
come
way.
back?
I left to go to the store to get her something to drink.
Okay.
And then when I came back, she wouldn't let me in. And then I sat there on the porch for 45 minutes in the cold. And then we talked together, and then she let me in. She let me in.
Okay.
I didn't force my way in or nothing.
So did something happen from the time you left to go to the store until you came back?
Nothing. I was playing with her on the phone. I said they didn't have any more Yermokas.
Okay.
Can I go to the store real quick?
No, not yet. Hang tight just a minute.
This is bullshit,
Okay.
dude. This is bullshit.
Okay. I understand.
No, you don't understand.
No,
dude. This
I
is
understand your
fucking bullshit.
frustration. If somebody says
She's
something
fucking
that's
stupid.
if somebody
fucking
says
done with
something that's
her.
not legit, I get it.
No,
I
it's
understand.
not. It's not. It's
I get it.
fucking stupid, dude.
But just understand we have an obligation. We have to do an investigation.
I understand,
Okay.
but fuck, man, why?
Well, I don't know because she called us, right?
She's.
There's two sides to every story, and we've got to go listen to hers as well. So we got to make sure that we're getting the full story.
I get that, but come on, man. I didn't touch her. I didn't force my way into the house. I didn't do any of that shit.
Okay. Just understand that she's given us a different story, right?
Fucking stupid, dude. None of that happened like that.
Okay. You're not on probation or parole or anything right now,
None
right?
of that fucking happened. No.
Okay. Fair enough.
Why?
I don't know, buddy. I don't know her. I've never talked to her. I know nothing about her.
5124.
Can I go to the store and get something to drink?
Not yet. We're going to hang tight for
Why?
just a minute until I hear from the other officer, okay?
I just turned on 152. I'm going to contact the RP. She said his last name is Black Bear. DOB is going to be either 72993 or 72793.
What is she saying?
I don't know. I haven't talked to the officer yet. That's why I said I'm waiting for him to get here.
This is bullshit,
So
dude.
why don't you have a seat until we we get a
I
chance
don't
to
want to sit
figure out what's
down,
going
dude.
on.
This is bullshit.
Okay, well, I'm going to ask you to sit down because
Why?
you're pacing.
So?
Right? I don't want you pacing around.
Why
I want you
can't I
sitting down.
pace?
And you've been a little bit hostile with
Why
me.
can't I pace?
Because you're being hostile and angry, and I don't like it.
So fucking hostile and angry.
Well, you're going to find hostile and angry. Okay?
Who? From who?
Yeah.
From who?
From me. Let's not do that. Okay? I've been nothing but cool with you, dude. You got no reason to be going off on me. I am trying to give you the benefit of the doubt, but we're going to find out what's going on. As soon as the other officer gets here, we will figure out what we're going to do with it.
Gets here.
Yeah, he's going to come over here and he can chat with us.
I don't want to chat with him.
You don't have to. I will. I'll let him know what you're telling me.
Well, it's exactly how it happened.
Okay. And if that's the case, dude, you're good. You'll be heading down the road.
It's fine.
But we're gonna figure it out. You're gonna hang tight until we get this figured out.
It is a Trey Andrew Black Bear, date of birth 7/29 of 93.
He's not
He
real
has
far.
a full extradition warrant out of California for parole violation for sexual assault.
Copy, can you check on that?
Yeah, no, not everything's good.
Confirm you check on extradition.
I'm not threatening you.
That and any identifiers are passed.
Stop
There's
it.
multiple
Stop what?
identifiers.
Stop.
Stand by just one.
Look, there's easy ways to do this and hard ways to do this. It's all up to you.
I don't know why she even called.
Okay? Well, we're beyond that right now.
We're not beyond that.
Yeah?
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
Okay, what happened?
Well, why don't you tell me?
I told you what the fuck happened.
No, you told me.
Okay, I told you what happened.
Okay, so tell me what happened.
So, I'm sitting there asleep, and she broke up with me
Okay.
because I was gonna leave. I was on my way out to go home because I live in Medford.
Okay.
Okay, so she called you guys and said that I fucking broke into her house, fucking hurt, or whatever the fuck she said to you.
Okay.
None of that happened.
She didn't tell me that.
Okay, what did she tell you?
That she invited you over,
Exactly.
and then you refused to leave when she told you to.
No, I left.
That's what she told us. But
I left when she told me to.
okay. How long are you guys dating for?
5 months.
5 months. When did you guys break up?
Just now.
Just now?
Apparently, yeah.
Okay. So you didn't break up like a week ago and
No,
just hanging out
no,
just like
just
literally
today. Because I went over there for the night to stay the night.
Okay. What did you guys break up over? Do you know?
Because I was leaving.
She broke up with you because you were leaving?
Yes.
To go to Medford?
Yes.
Doesn't seem right, but hey,
It's not right.
women are fickle, right? So. Okay. Are you waiting for a ride or
Yes.
what? Where are they coming from?
Where are you coming? Where are you at? It's turning to go to Eagle Plains at Tuville right now.
Juville?
Yeah.
Took the wrong way. It's coming from Grass Valley. Oh.
He's headed back home to Medford. Okay,
5110.
that's what happened.
Showing a history of assault and battery.
This is blue thing.
There's
What blue thing?
multiple tattoos listed
It's a
on
disc getter.
the leg.
What?
Live
Disc-
fast,
disc
die
picture.
pretty.
Oh, gotcha.
Another
Like
that
stuff out
says
of,
live free or die
discus.
hard. A clown,
Yeah, yeah.
clown faces. Break.
So am I good to go with what
On
she
the
said?
left
Not yet,
arm,
sir.
there's
Why not?
tattoos of love me
We're
or
just
hate
listening to
me.
I
There's
understand.
tattoos
but
on the
what's going
chest.
on?
Do you need me to continue? There's multiple more.
Can you put that down for me?
For now, that's good enough. He's not cooperative.
I'm gonna cooperate.
Copy.
You told me you were going to get violent.
No, I'm not.
That's what you told
No,
me
I'm
when
not.
you were sitting there.
No, I'm not.
That's what you said.
I'm not though.
Put that down, please.
You just asked me to pull it up.
I didn't ask you to pull it out. I was asking you what it was.
Okay, can my friend get my stuff?
Yes. Go ahead and stand up and turn around for me. You're under arrest right now. You
For
got a
what?
warrant. You have a warrant.
For what?
Stand up and turn around, or you can get tased. Put the phone down. Get the-
You okay? You okay? Roll on your stomach. Drop the knife. 5110, we did additional. He's got knife. Drop the knife. Roll away from it. Roll away from it. You're going to be shot.
22 and 24, are you out with him?
Roll away from it, you're dead. F you.